how to find someone's birthday on Instagram. So if you want to find someone's birthday on Instagram, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Instagram application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After opening your Instagram, now you just need simply go with search, which is on the bottom. And here you need to search for the person's name. Like, for example, I'll go and search for a person's ID. So if the person has mentioned their birth date on their profile or in their bio, then due to this, finding their birthday on Instagram will be easier. But if the other person has not mentioned their name, then what you can do is just simply go with the tagged photos. You will have the tag option right here. You can go with tag, and under tagged post, if the other person has posted something, then you will find all of the tagged posts right here. Under tagged post, you can go and see, you'll be able to see a lot of photos that they have been tagged in. During this, you can also see the photos from their birthdays. So that could be another way. These were the few ways, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.